Hi, folks. My name is Dan Dow. I'm your instructor for your Android programming class, developing apps with it. Um, excuse me. um, One of the things I'm going to go over, I'm logged onto eCampus right now, your course shell, and you click on syllabus, and I have the course syllabus I'm going to go over with you. Um, once you download it, it looks like this. So let me just walk you through on some of the stuff with it. I'm a full-time faculty. My office is housed, my base office is at Richland College. Um, Email is the best way to get a hold of me. Now, I'm going to talk to you about how to email me with it. Make sure you use eCampus, go to Tools, go to Send Email, and pick my name and send the email from eCampus with it. So one of the things that I ask you to do that so it won't go to the spam box with it. All right, so that's the reason why. And plus, it tags your course and your section number on where you're coming in from, what class you're from with it. Sending me an email directly from your email most likely will go into my spam box. I will never see it. And second of all, I have 120 students. I don't know who you are, what course you are, and all that. So it takes another layer of email back and forth. So it just helps our communication with it as well. I'm going to go down with this. This is the spring of 2022. There's two courses I teach. These are the two sections. This is the course number that you're enrolling. It's an Android app programming. We're going to be using Java in this course with it. So we're going to get this thing set up with it. The last day withdrawal from this class is, anytime that I need for you to withdraw with a W in this class with it. I believe it's April. Last day, it's not. This is wrong. It's supposed to be April, I think the 14th with it, but this is cert date with it. It's February the 1st, so this is not right. Last day withdrawal W is actually, I believe it's April the 14th. I'll fix this with it as well. All right. But this is what's called the cert date in here as well with it. My apology. But most of you guys are in this class are high school class, so you work with your advisors in here with it as well. So a lot of the stuff I'm going to put in here, there are software, the challenge. I've taught this class before because you are a high school class, especially as a DISD class, Dallas Independent School District IT, and our IT needs, and your IT gives you laptops, right? So you need to have a PC, period. You can't develop Android apps in a Mac, all right? So there's no if, ands, or buts about it. It has to be a PC. It has to be a workstation. It has to be a workstation. It cannot be an Android tablet. It cannot be an iPad. It cannot be a Mac. I'm telling you this right now. These are the software that you need to install. I'm going to have, this is all done in the first lab. We talk about this as well. So go through this, and these are stuff that we're covering in the class with it. You will need some sort of storage device to store your files in here. So you either have a jump drive, a USB drive, jump drive, a 1 gigabyte ideally, some sort of cloud storage ideally. You need, again, I can't stress enough, you need to have a PC, not no iPad, no tablets, no Mac, etc. with it. It's exactly, you're building an Android system. Androids and Mac don't talk to each other, okay? So it needs to be a Windows 10 operating system. More important, it needs to be fun and a safe learning environment for you. We're dealing with technology, so plan for the worst. There will be days that the server is down. There will be days eCampus will be down. There are days that your computer will crash. I understand. So this is an online class. One of the hardest things teaching an online class is communication. So I want to do a lot of things through communication with us as well with it. Here's the breakdown for the class with it. You will have 4 discussion boards for this class. I count discussion boards as your attendance. It's 100 points, which is 10% of your grade basically with it. There are quizzes. There are multiple choice quizzes with it. There's short snippet 10-question quizzes with assignments. If you do the assignments in lab, you can cover the quizzes 1 and quiz 2. I have 6 class assignments. They're all video based. You need to have, of course, hardware is the PC, Plus, you need to have access to the internet with it as well to stream my videos. They're all YouTube videos with it. I have 2 exams, one midterm, one final exam. They're all multiple choice as well. So the total points is 1,000 points. So if you stay on top of this, you should be doing okay. This is the breakdown for the points with it. It should be very, very self-explanatory with it as well. Everything is linked in the grade center. All right, everything is linked into the grade center. Ignore the web server policy. You guys don't have to bother with it. Just some notes I need to to tell you about. Let's talk about the first one with it. Due dates. When things are due, things are due. Things are due at end of the day at midnight. So if I tell you tomorrow it's due tomorrow on the 19th, means that it's going to be due at midnight. So if you wait until like 11:59 and you're uploading half a terabyte of data, guess what? You're not going to make it. All right. So let's just leave it with that. All right. So get the stuff in before the due date. 2, all online class, which this class is. You need to do a discussion board. All discussion board that we're doing needs to be a video format, so no text posting. I need to see who you are. I need to see what you look like, because this is for me to identify who you are. It's a human level with it. You see what I look like, all right? So it's fair that I get to see what you look like. So when I write a recommendation letter, I can recognize who you are with it as well. This helps me a lot when I write recommendation letters later on with it. This course requires a PC, not Mac. I'm sorry. Let me take this out. This is written for my other class with it. The PC operating system, Android, and tablets are not acceptable for this class with it. All right. Please give me 3 or 4 business days to grade your class, give you feedback on your class exercise and grades with it. This is an online class, so you don't have to worry about coming to campus with it. Everything's going to be delivered through online with it as well. There will be days I will adjust the calendar with it, so here and there with it. I will have virtual office hours, so please help me. We can talk virtually. It's like a Zoom meeting with it. You share your screen, I share my screen. We can all share happily together with it as well. Let's look at the calendar. Here is the first day of class. This is January the 18th, first day of class. I'm going over this. Please complete discussion board 1. Everything in here that you see is a window. There's a start date and there's an end date. I usually give you a week to complete your assignment. So discussion board starts here and it ends on the 25th. Class exercise tomorrow, number 1 is going to be released. Guess when it's due? It's due on the 18th. I give you 2-3 weeks on this because of IT. All right. In the past, I've had a lot of issues with IT, especially your IT. So here's what I need your help is. I need to identify who your advisor is. All right. I need to talk to your advisor for the DIC advisor. Would somebody send me your advisor's name? And I need to talk to your advisor so I can make the appropriate request to install the software onto your laptop with it as well. All right, look through this discussion board. How you read through this is it opens on the 8th, it closes on the 22nd. So I give you about a couple of weeks to complete this. Guess when time-wise this is due? This is due at midnight on the 22nd of this particular discussion board. So anything you see that's closed mean it closed on that day, on the evening with at midnight with it as well. So I put it, whatever's in yellow is administrative stuff, is when the class ends. Here's the last day withdrawal. This is the 14th, not the 1st, okay? February the 1st is the last day to withdraw without a W is my point with it. But the last day withdrawal from the class is the 14th. If you withdraw between the 1st, February the 1st, to April the 14th, you will get a W. After the 14th, I have to give you a performance grade. You hear what I said? After April the 14th, I have to give you a grade that you earn from this. Okay? So that's about it. I want to stop this video. I don't want to make it too long. All my videos are about 10 minutes long with it, but please read through this. Complete your discussion board number 1 for me, please. Alrighty. Looking forward to hearing everybody. Please complete discussion board number 1 for me, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.